If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Hi everybody, I'm Maria Emmerich and I'm in the Swerve kitchen making one of my favorite desserts. It is so delicious. It is my pumpkin pie spiced pot de creme. So let's get started. What you're going to do is get heavy cream and you're going to pour that into a pot over medium-high heat, just into a simmer. So let me turn that all the way up. I'm going to take some yolks, put that into a bowl, and I'm using Swerve Confectioners because it's so nice and soft. I love Swerve Confectioners. I have my pumpkin pie spices as well as some salt. I have a little bit of vanilla, and I'm going to grab a whisk just to combine this. There we go. Whisk, whisk, whisk. It all combined, and then I'm going to add the heavy cream. Whisk slowly because you don't want to curdle the yolks. There we go, it's all combined. And then I'm going to put it into 4 ramekins. And one thing about making Instant Pot desserts, you want to make sure you cover them because condensation will happen and it's going to get inside of your desserts, which you don't want that to happen. And then you need 1 cup of water and you're going to pour that right into the Instant Pot. You're going to grab your Instant Pot trivet and set that right inside because that's what your ramekins are going to go right onto. So we're going to stack those. So they're all in there. I'm going to take my cover, put this on. I'm going to press manual and turn it to 5 minutes. And in 5 minutes, you have a lovely dessert that only needs to be chilled. So I am going to open my Instant Pot, and I'm going to grab these out. Be careful because it'll be very hot. And now what I want to show you, when you grab all 4 of these out, you want to make sure to take off the tin foil because more condensation is going to happen and you don't want that to get wet. So you're going to take all 4 of them out, take the covers off, and let it sit there for 15 minutes before you cover them and put them in the fridge for 2 hours or up to 4 days. But here we have some finished products. I'm going to garnish it with some walnuts and then maybe some mint for some pretty garnish. And then you have a delicious dessert that's so easy. Thank you for joining me in the Swerve Kitchen. My name's Maria Emmerich. I hope you enjoy this recipe.